I've been hearing about RCS for years now. Is it really going to happen? And do I need to do anything? Yes, RCS is going to happen. Sinch, we're putting a lot of effort around RCS to make sure when it is ready to go in the United States that our customers are ready for it. In my mind, there's 3 things that you should do to prepare for it. Number 1, read the research out there. There's a lot of research about customer engagement, what it means to certain brands. Understand what that research is and see and understand what your problem is that you're trying to solve and how can you solve that problem through RCS based on the research that's out there. I would say number 2 is partner with a CPaaS provider, just like Sinch. Partner with someone like us, understand what RCS is going to mean for you, and understand when you need to be ready for it when it happens. Number 3, make sure that when you're ready to launch your RCS campaign, that you're ready to respond to customers when they reach out to you, either an auto response or a chatbot. Chatbots are going to explode in the RCS space, or really just having a person behind answering your customers' questions. But the most successful RCS campaigns are going to be the ones that, as a brand, that they respond to what their end customers are asking.